Alright, right here we got that channel, and then steering wheel control right there, and that's it.
Real life. The credit card debt happened when my daughter was born.
Yeah.
I was using one
Subaru Crosstrek 2014. You want to take this glove compartment off, and this part right there, you're gonna have to remove that spring with the flathead or something. The next thing you're gonna need to take this spring off also for the climate control. Gotta come underneath there. See that white spring? You need to take that off. Right there. It's kind of tough. You want to push. Whoa. You want to push that metal down. Oh, you see my hand? Where's my hand at? Right there. Push it down and pull the white one up. I can't video that, so. And then you're gonna have to push this clip right there down and pull this metal out. And that's how you do it. I can't show you because I got only one hand. Alright, well, the easiest way after you take those two metal spring out, the best way to do it is to take this hazard light plug out. So that's what he's gonna do. He's gonna push it. We'll show you in a second after he take it out. So it's easy because you cannot pull it to the back. So usually you push your clip. There's a clip in there, and then you pull it straight out. Usually you push it in or down. I'm not sure what the clip look like. Yeah, this is hard. This is probably the hardest Subaru I've done. You have some problem right there. You can't find the hole. You found a hole yet, buddy? I think I'm better than him in finding the hole, so I might have to do it. I'll give him a chance.
When you're small. Let me grab. I just need a flat hand and twist it. Oh, come on.
Yeah. Let me look at it and see what it looked like down here. See if I can reach it. Oh, okay. There's a button right there. You're supposed to push it from the top, I believe, and then you pull it out right out. But yeah, it's out here first, right there. Here, hold the camera. Now we have to take the glove off. This thing ain't easy. What they trying to let you do? No, push it wrong spot.
I don't think I'd rather work on Mercedes.
You have a flathead?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, this is definitely tough. Oh, got it out. Okay, what you do right here, it look like that. What you do, you put a flathead and push it down and twist it, and then it come out. But now we might still have a little bit of a problem. Yeah, we might have to unplug this other wire around here too to get it out, because this thing ain't gonna coming out. Because if you do, you're gonna break this part. So, wow, this is a tough one though. Okay, all right. Now we're gonna try to get that thing. Slow down your camera. I think there's a switch right there. You push it down and then pull it out. That is tough though. Same as this. Oh, why they make it so difficult? Know what I mean?
Use a screwdriver.
Yeah, maybe. Easy on the camera because your camera's shaking. Yes. easier way. Yeah, look at that. That is nuts. So you might have to go like this. See, the problem, if they put a clip different way, it'd be easy. Like this way, the bottom, you can push it out, but this is
Top side.
top side. Hey, Subaru. See, you can't reach your hand in there to push it down.
I can probably do it from this side.
Oh, I got one. Push it. Take a flathead and twist it while you push that down. Maybe it go in. Yep.
One more.
See that? See, look, it's who designed this thing? There's that clip right there. So here's what you're gonna have to do right here. Here, put the light right there. When you reach underneath there, you put your finger and push this piece down. You have to reach it like this and push it down, like push this piece down, the clip down, and pry it out or pull it out if you can. If not, you have to use a flathead and put it in here and twist it, and then it'll come out. The same as this. You push this thing down like this from the bottom. Your finger is going to look like this, and then you pull it out. This one you can pull it out without using a flathead, but this one you do. So that's how it is. It's a tough one though. I mean, for a newbie, it's going to be a good hour and a half to take it out. So be careful though, because you're working with the climate control and everything like that. You don't want to damage this. This piece probably costs about 300 bucks. This climate control thing, if you can find one. So that's a tough one, but it is. So now take the radio out. Even the radio is hard to take out. So he's gonna do the same thing on the clip part. Take it out. I'm gonna hold this for him. Even though this can be out, I don't want to take completely out because what's he doing? He's doing the same thing as I did earlier, because the clip is on the top. So you push it, the clip down, and then pull it out somehow. Depending on how big your hands is. If your hand's too big, it's gonna be a tough one.
There's more, a lot more.
A lot more. There's a lot of clip in there. Careful about this one. Yeah, I haven't watched anybody else putting on the YouTube yet, so but this is our first one. You have to deal with all this. It's taking a flathead and trying to push that down and pry it out. Yes, this is a tough one. Let me do it, man.
Antenna makes it so tight. There you go.
Alright, so what he did, well, one more. That black and blue should be a ground wire. You push from the bottom instead of the top. Yep. And then pull it out. Yep. So here's what he did. Hold this light for me for a second. So like I said earlier, I mentioned earlier about pushing this thing down and you gotta pull it out. So you're gonna have to use your left hand or right hand, depending on how you do it. Reach in there from top here, push this down and pull it straight out, the same as all of them. I mean, this is just pull out. This one's gonna look like this, so you're gonna have to put your finger from the bottom, you know, whatever finger you use, push this thing down like this and pry that out also, and all of this at the top. So that's it. Now we're gonna look for the harness and try to plug the radio in. Here are the mounting kit that you will need. You're gonna need a wrap NI 7552, which is made by Nissan, and then you need a mounting kit doubled in. You're gonna need a 958905B. It's a Subaru 2012 to 15. Yes, I thought it was a Toyota made. Some of them are Toyota made, so some of them might not be the same. So you probably wanna buy two for now and return the other one back, because the other one is a Toyota made with a 1760, I believe, for the Toyotas. But this, for this specific one, it's the Nissan made. Usually put the mic right here, because you are right there driving right here, and then your when you talk, it just go right in, so people be like, hey, I can't hear you. Are you putting me on a speakerphone, or you know, on a Bluetooth? But yeah, this is better. Right there, you're gonna run it down, and then out there to the. We got everything installed. We hook up. Actually, we did a steering wheel control with this one, with the AXSWC1. With the Boss, we program it to the Pioneer version, because this is the better version of the Boss. And we're gonna plug everything back, and we're gonna put the metal rod. Is that metal rod, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's metal though. For the climate control back first, and then we're gonna plug that in, the wire. And this is a tough one. Alright guys, this is the hard part. It's not that hard, but to put it back, it's pretty simple right here. You see that metal, that round metal end? You put that one first, then you just clip it right in. It's easier than take it out. So I'm on the driver's side, so you gotta do the same on both sides. Can't show you because I got only one hand. Alright, right here we got that channel, and then steering wheel control right there, and that's it.
Real life. The credit card debt happened when my daughter was born.
Yeah.
I was using one